Test mic. What's up, guys? Learning with Rich here. In this video, I'm going to teach you options how to attach walls to other elements. Okay, so as you can see here in my sample file, so it's a very basic one. So I just use architectural template for this one to create the project, and then I just created walls, 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 and then here, I'm going to show you different options to attach your walls to another element. Okay, so in Revit, after placing a wall, so you can override its initial top and base constraints by attaching its top or base to another element in the same vertical plane. Okay, so we know that we can also adjust our walls by selecting that and then changing the base constraint here and then changing the base offset. You can also change the top constraint and then you can also change the top offset. But another way to attach your walls to another elements is by using this tool that is called attach top base. Okay, so by attaching a wall to another element, you avoid the need to manually edit the wall profile when the design changes. Okay, so when I say manually edit the wall profile, it's just like this one. I'm going to click this wall and then I can select this edit profile. So you can also do this if you want to modify your wall. Like for example, you want to attach that there. Just remove the constraint and then after that, just check to finish. So that's all, right? But instead of doing that, so I prefer using the attach top base option when attaching my walls to another elements. Okay, so the other elements that can be attached our wall to is it can be another wall that is directly above this wall. Like for example, I want to attach this to this wall, so you can do that. So you can also use here a floor. You can also use a roof. And then you can also use here, so as you can see, there's nothing here, but if I go to my south elevation or any elevation, so you can see here that I have drawn there a reference plane. Okay, so you can attach also your walls to your reference plane. Or you can also attach your wall to your ceiling. Okay, so just a recap. So what are the elements that we can use to attach our walls to? So first, you can use another wall that is directly above the wall that you want to attach. You can also use a roof here, a floor, sorry. And then you can also use a roof. You can also attach your walls to your reference plane. And then you can also attach your walls to your ceiling. All right, so let's try this one. Okay. So I'm going to select these walls just to quickly show you. And then I'm going to select attach top base. I click that one. And then I'm going to click here. So there you have it. So you are able to attach your wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this wall. Okay. I'm going to split that. So I'm going to use this tool here, split element. So I'm going to split somewhere here. I'm going to split somewhere here and then modify. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this, then I'm going to stretch the top portion and then the bottom. So you can see this one will also follow. Okay, so I'm going to click this one. I'm going to move that, move that, and then again you can see that our wall here follows. Okay, so as you can see, every time I modify this one, since it is attached to that wall, it also follows, right? Okay, now just in case you want to detach your walls to the element where you attach it, like for example, these walls here, so all you have to do is to select again the wall, and then there's an option here, detach top base. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select that, and then I'm going to pick this. So as you can see, it will be detached, right? There you go. Okay, so let me repeat. So I'm just using here the top portion, but of course you can also attach that to the base portion of the element. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select this, attach top base. Let's click this one, attach top base. Let's click. All right. So I think it's already attached. Detach all. So just detach all first. So I select attach, attach. Okay, attach. Let's attach. All right. There you go. Okay, so another element wherein we can attach our wall is our floor here. Okay, so I'm going to select the wall, attach top base, and then let's select the floor here. There you go. Again, if we are going to move our floor here, the wall will follow as well, right? Okay, and same with our roof here. So I'm going to click this, attach top base. Let's click that one, and then let's click our roof. There you have it. So again, if I'm going to modify the roof, I'll adjust that. You will notice the wall will also follow. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and open the south elevation here, and then let me just quickly show you how to attach our wall to the reference plane, which is simple. Same procedure. You just select the wall, attach top base, and then we can click that, and there you go. So this is infinite. Okay, so it goes all the way down there. Okay, even if I have drawn only my reference plane up to this point, but this one continue infinity. All right. So if I'm gonna go ahead and attach that also here, okay, so what will happen is it will detach from your first reference plane and then it will attach here. So I select the wall, attach top base, and then let's me click this one, and then that's what going to happen. Okay, and then for the last one, we have the ceiling here. So another element wherein we can attach our wall. So I select the wall, attach top base, and then let's click the ceiling. Okay, so again, what will happen is if I'm going to select the ceiling, so you can adjust the ceiling and then the wall will follow as well. So if you want to modify or you want to detach your wall to the ceiling, just click and then detach it from the ceiling, right? Okay, so just a few guidelines when attaching walls. So first, you can attach wall tops to non-vertical reference plane. So it should be horizontal, of course. And then you can attach walls to in-place roof or floor. Okay, just like this one. I go to my level 2, and then I'm going to create here an in-place family. In-place family that is floor. So I select the floor. Okay, okay. So I'll just create here an extrusion, just a rectangular one. Okay, just like this one. I'll just put here. Just put here. There you go. Just finish, finish. And then I'll just copy this wall here. Alright. So I go to the 3D view. So this is our in-place family. So if I select that one, that is an in-place family. Okay, so you see there's an edit in place, meaning this is an in place family. So I select this one, the wall, and then let's attach it. So let's click. There you go. Okay, so it needs to be floor in place or roof in place. So let me create a roof here. I go to the component, model in place. So this time I'll create a roof category, roof. Okay, just a simple extrusion. So I create one here, just like that. Finish, finish, and then I copy the wall. Just copy that wall, put it here. Go to the 3D view just to show you. Click, attach top base, and then attach to our roof there. Okay, there you have it. Okay, the other side didn't follow. Okay, so next, one thing that I need you to take note as well is that make sure that you properly categorize your in-place family as a roof or floor. Because if you are going to create, let's say, generic model, so I select a generic model and then I select OK. OK, I'll create an extrusion here, just like that. Check. check. So I select the wall, copy, put it here. So if I go to the 3D view, I attach this, select, attach top base. As you can see, I can't select our in-place family that is generic model. Okay, you see I can't click. So it should be floor and roof in-place family. Now another guideline that you need to understand is when attaching walls, if a wall's top is currently attached to a reference plane, just like what we have here, okay? If the wall's top is currently attached to a reference plane, attaching the top to a second reference plane, for example, detach it from the first reference plane, like what you have see. So I select this one, attach top base, I click it here, so it will detach from the first reference plane. Okay, so another guideline that you need to know is that you can attach walls that are parallel in the same vertical plane that is directly above or below one another, just like what we have here. Okay, so we have walls and then we also have walls above. All right. Okay, so hope this one is clear and hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, you can put it on the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.